You can see right here, so far for the day, I'm at $93.60. It's only 11 in the morning, August 5th. And if we go from when I started this all the way from May 1st to August 5th, let's run report. $20,000, $883.50. Let's refresh the screen just so you know I'm not capping. Doing inside this video, and I was able to do this in a little over 90 days. And what I'm gonna be showing y'all in this video, step by step, is exactly how I was able to do this using 100% free traffic with Max Bounty CPA marketing, and how you can do this as a complete beginner without any huge budget or without any experience. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything important. And of course, if you want to shortcut the learning curve, you can grab access to my 7-figure affiliate course, 50% off right now. At the time making this video, it's only $25. It's a 9-video training course with over an hour information showing you exactly how I do this, literally using nothing but free traffic. I will leave a link in the description or in the comment section down below. Now we got that out the way, let's get straight into this video. All right, so just before I get into the tutorial, just wanted to give y'all a quick overview of my dashboard. Today it is Tuesday, August 5th. It is 11 in the morning. I'm already at $100.80. Yesterday I made $110 for the whole entire day, and it's only 11 in the morning. So I can see this already being like a $200 or $300 a day at the rate that I'm going. So far for the month, I'm at 556. Let's refresh the screen real quick. Y'all know we're not faking no results over here. Same numbers, $100.80. Like I said, I started this organic TikTok and Instagram strategy on May 1st. So just go back one more time. I know I started at the intro, but why not? Run report, $20,890.70. I know when I made the intro, it was a little bit less. I think I made like $7 since I made the intro just a couple minutes ago. So just want to give y'all a quick overview of my dashboard. Now, a lot of y'all that's brand new might be asking, what is CPA marketing? You could easily do a Google search on this. CPA marketing is called cost per action marketing. It's a type of affiliate marketing where an advertiser pays a publisher, aka an affiliate like me, for each specific customer action, such as a sale, a lead, or an app download. What I do is promote lead offers. So companies will pay me anywhere from $1 to $3 to bring them a lead. A lead is basically somebody in that niche or whatever that enters their name, email, maybe even a phone number or whatever. And I get paid anywhere from $1 to $3 for that. Now, it might sound like petty money, but when you got hundreds and thousands of people signing up to these offers, it adds up real fast. And like I said, with my TikTok and Instagram account, I'm pretty much going viral almost every single time that I post because I got the formula. I've been doing it for a little while now. I got a great understanding on how to do it. So yeah, you can do a Google search on this. CPA marketing is very easy. It's an advertiser and then it's an affiliate like me. Advertisers need affiliates to promote their products, and they pay us good money for each lead. And they got offers where you could promote a sale offer, but I like promoting lead offers because the customer don't have to come out they don't even have to pull out their credit card in order for you to make money. That's why I love CPA marketing. Just to give you a real life example, I'm sure you done seen something like this before where you can win a gift card to like a Starbucks, a McDonald's. You can see absolutely free shipping, no credit card required. After you enter your email address on here, they might ask you a few other questions. And it's somebody on the opposite end like me getting paid when you complete this. So inside of Max Bounty, they got the same exact offer right here. If you signed up on the website, as you can see, converts on a single opt-in. So if you put in your name, email, phone number, maybe even an address or whatever, I would get paid $2.40 per lead or per person. And if I got 100 people a day filling that form out, I'm making $240 a day. So as you can see, that's over $1,000 a week, over $4,000 a month from a free offer, basically. Now that you got a good understanding of what CPA marketing is in a nutshell, the next thing to do is to get approved inside of a CPA network, because some CPA networks you have to fill out an application for, and then some CPA networks you can sign up for and get an account up and running the same day. With Max Bounty, you have to do a simple little application. They just gonna ask you a few questions just to see where your experience level is, and then they get you on the phone, and you basically just repeating everything you put on the application to get approved. So I got a Max Bounty approval guide to get you approved in 24 hours or less, as well as my referral link to make it even easier to get approved. Because when you got a referral link from an established affiliate, they trust you a lot more, and it'll be easier to get approved for. So I have my approval script or my approval guide inside of the members area of my course. It should be under tools and resources. It's somewhere in here, but my course comes with 9 videos with over an hour information. It also comes with a private Facebook group with all our members. Like I said, right now at the time of making this video, it's only $25. I got it 50% off. You can get access to it right now by clicking the link in the description or in the comment section down below. The fact that I'm giving this away for only $25 and I done made over $20,000 from it in the last 90 days or a little over 90 days, I mean, it just speaks for itself, man. I give out a lot of good game in this course for pennies, basically. And here's the funnel map of everything that I do. It's kind of like a video or kind of like an overview of everything I'm doing. It's 3 steps to this strategy. It's just traffic, you got your funnel, and then you get commissions. Traffic, I drive 100% free traffic from TikTok and Instagram Reels. From that, I send my traffic over from TikTok and Instagram straight to my funnel, my website, bridge page, whatever you want to call it. And from my website, I send them straight to the affiliate offer where I get a commission once they sign up for it. Now, you might ask, why not just send the traffic straight from TikTok to the affiliate offer? Well, one, if you put your affiliate link on any of these platforms nowadays, it don't matter if it's TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, whatever. If you put your straight up affiliate link inside of your bio, you would more than likely get your account shut down because that's frowned upon. It's been like that for years now. So we use what we call either a funnel, a landing page, or a bridge page. And another good thing about using a funnel to promote your offers is you boost your conversion rates, because on the bridge page, the point of that is to instruct them on what to do when they get to the offer. So if you just send people straight up to the offer and they don't know what to do, you gonna get a huge drop in conversions versus telling them what to do on your funnel. I'm gonna show y'all exactly what my funnel look like so y'all can see what I'm talking about. As far as conversion rates, you can send 1,000 people straight from TikTok straight to your affiliate offer, and you might only convert 50 to 100 people because they don't know what to do next. Now, when you send people through your bridge page telling them what to do so you can get your commission, you would boost your conversion rates by at least 40-50%. So sending 1,000 people to your affiliate offer and converting half of them at $2, you know what I'm saying? That's $1,000 in commissions versus sending them straight to the offer with no instruction. You only converting 100 people, you only making a couple $100s. That stuff adds up over time. That could be the difference from $20,000 and $50,000 or $200,000 and $500,000. So it's simple, just adding in the funnel. And from there, straight from your funnel, you send them straight to your affiliate offer. And when they sign up to it and complete the action, whether it's entering their name, email, phone number, confirm their email address, you get paid anywhere from $1 to $3. So if I pull up my TikTok account, this is what I use every single day. I got 20,000 followers on here. You can look it up yourself. The work from home plug, or the WFH plug, that's what it stands for. You see, I got videos right here. This one got 373,000 views, 180,000, 130,000, 29,000, 23,000, 19,000, 16,000, 15,000, almost 10K. So I got multiple videos over 100,000 views. I got multiple videos over 10,000 views. And that's my TikTok. I'm about to open up my funnel so y'all can see what I'm talking about. I can see what that looks like. But let me show y'all my Instagram while that's loading. This is my Instagram account. Now I mainly promote my clothing brand and the remote jobs, the work from home stuff on here. So it's a mix of both things that I promote. And if we go to the Reels tab, you see this video got 1,800 views. I just posted this probably like an hour or two ago. This one got 12,500 views. I just posted this last night. And like I said, I got other clothing brand content that I make. This one got 7,000 views, almost 4,000, 4,000, almost 4,000, 5,000, 3,000. As you can see, the list goes on. All my videos get over 1,000 views. That's between TikTok and Instagram. And this is where I direct all of my traffic to, thinkremote.org. Get paid to review top brands, products, and services for compensation. You will receive an email after you sign up. You must confirm that email to be selected. I highlighted that in yellow because that's where I get paid at. When people sign up to my affiliate offer on the next page and they confirm it via email, that's when I get my commission of $2.40. And I'm getting hundreds and thousands of people to do this each and every single day and every single week. This is my funnel. So when they click the image or the button, it takes them straight to my affiliate offer, which is Inbox Dollars. It's available on Max Bounty right now, and I get paid $2.40 per lead that I drive to them. So if we go check my Max Bounty account, that's pretty much everything that I do. So let me refresh the page, see if we made some more commissions. Let's see. All right, so I made one more commission. Now I'm at $112.80. It's only 11:35 in the morning, so I can see today being probably like a $200, maybe even $300 day before it's all said and done. So far for the month, $568. We're only 5 days in, so that's over $100 a day. And like I said at the start of this video, man, if you want to learn this strategy that I'm doing using 100% free traffic, you can go and get access to my 7-figure affiliate course right now for only $25. It will be available in the description or in the comment section down below. Comes with 24/7 access, free lifetime updates, and a private members group with all the members, so you can ask questions in case you lost, need help with anything, or if you even want me to make an update inside the course. All that is available for the one-time price of only $25, man. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel if you're new. I'm about to be back pumping out videos throughout the week. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you'll be notified when I do. And I will see y'all in the next video.